The O2 oxygen sensor on the Toyota Aygo is located right next to the alternator. It's best to clean the sensors once in a while to give your vehicle better performance. So we sprayed carb cleaner all around and through the holes, left to dry before placing it back in. On the outside we scrubbed off the carbon with light abrasive paper, looking good as new. The O2 sensor is responsible for measuring how much unburned oxygen is in the exhaust. It communicates with your vehicle's electronic control unit to help figure out what the right air to fuel ratio should be for the best engine performance. So having this sensor cleaned or replaced will help with the fuel economy. Now the mass airflow sensor is located at the back. It measures the amount of air entering in the internal combustion engine. It is recommended to clean this sensor too, to avoid poor fuel economy, problems with acceleration and engine problems too. So if your vehicle engine light comes on and it relates to sensors, get them cleaned up, especially the EGR valve, as one issue may relate to another. Drive safe. Peace.